I have a creative curl wand in my kit. I think the name says it all. Creativity.
The Creative Curl Wand is a great creative tool. It's got a great conical barrel, which means it's got loads of different areas in the tongue you can use that create different styles and movements.
The fact that I can do a full hairstyle and I can create different shape, different size curls as I'm going through, just to make it as natural as possible, is perfect.
The Creative Curl Wand also features ultrazone technology, meaning I only have to hold the hair on for 5 to 8 seconds and I'm going to create the movement that I want. The ultrazone technology allows me to create larger sections and speed through my look.
It's a really, really easy tool to use. It's literally a wrap and go. I think the fact that you only have to keep the hair on it for about 5 to 8 seconds means that you can really get through the hair really quick.
The Creative Curl Wand is kind of foolproof for clients because they can put it in their hair at any angle and it's going to give them a curl or a wave. It's perfect for that client that can't normally do their own hair.
I would recommend the Creative Curl Wand to clients that just love to play. Clients that want looks from big, full, glamorous looks to subtle, undone, tussled beach waves.